Well, on the last test drive, I found my first mechanical issue. Came back in smelling like burnt clutch. And as you may or may not know, these don't have clutches. So put the magic light on that. 95. Motor is 119. $170 degrees. So, and the telltale sign is when you have smoke coming off your right rear caliper with pads, and your amperage keeps going up and you can't figure out why. There's a boat anchor in the back of the unit. Take the wheel off and figure out what's wrong with this brake system. It was out of fluid. I put fluid in it, but I still need to do a proper bleed and everything. But that's a short for today. We'll bring you back whenever I tear into this one. Have a good one.